Hey everyone, Garrett back again with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to use the measurement guide. Before you get started, you're going to need a fabric measuring tape, a pencil, a piece of paper, and your best fitting pair of jeans. When shopping online for a pair of jeans, you may come across a measurement guide. The purpose of the measurement guide is to allow you to see the exact measurements of the jean so that you can make a better informed decision when buying a pair of jeans that you're not able to try on. To get your waist measurement, start by putting the front and the back of the waistband together. You want to make sure they're completely straight and parallel. Then put on the edge of the table and use your hips to hold it in place. Using a fabric measuring tape, lay it across the waistband. Pull snug. Then take this number and double it. If you are not pulling snug or the waistband is drooping down and not completely parallel, you will get an inaccurate measurement. To measure the front rise, start from the center point of the crotch and measure to the top of the waistband. To measure the back rise, again start from the center point of the crotch and measure the top of the waistband. To measure the upper thigh, measure from the lowest point of the center of the crotch all the way to the outseam. Make sure to keep the measuring tape perpendicular to the outseam. To measure the knee, start at the center point of the crotch. Then go down 12 inches on the inseam and measure across the leg. For the leg opening, simply measure across. To measure the inseam, start from the center point of the crotch. Then follow the inseam all the way down the leg until the leg opening. So now you can use these measurements with the size chart to find your right size. If you enjoyed the video, please drop us a like. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.